There is a lot of excitement in the air. It is a moment of joy and delight shared by all as we come together to celebrate a landmark year in our lives. 2014, the year when Rashi Peripherals joyously completes 25 years of existence. 25 years of changing people's perception of IT distribution. 25 years of changing the way the game is played and winning it. As we cheer for Rashi Peripherals' Silver Jubilee year, let's have a look at how the first step of this remarkable journey happened. Mr. Krishna Kumar Chaudhary has his roots in Rajasthan, but as a young mind, he grew up in a small, little-known village called Chandwak in Uttar Pradesh and completed his graduation from the Banaras Hindu University of Varanasi. There was another young boy who lived in a small village named Ramgarh in Rajasthan, Mr. Suresh Pansari. Even at a young age, he successfully juggled studies with working in a shop at the same time. With great dreams in their hearts, both these boys independently moved to Mumbai to study chartered accountancy. So when both of them met during their education, the seeds of entrepreneurship were sown. It is said that when great minds come together, miracles happen. Their foresight gave shape to their dreams in the form of a small CA audit firm. But these budding entrepreneurs from Rajasthan were very ambitious, which led them to be IT visionaries with the realization that IT would soon become an indispensable part of everyone's life. Soon, they directed their attention to the IT import business and started the manufacturing and distribution of ribbon cartridges under the brand name Irmaco in 1983. A decade later, this enterprising duo moved on to formal distribution under the name of Rashi Peripherals. Humility, dedication, focus, strong ethics, good leadership. Words run short if we have to describe the qualities that enabled Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Pansari to carve an enviable place for themselves and their company. However, it would be a huge mistake if we do not mention the significant part their families have played in this success. The unconditional support and love of Mrs. Meena Chaudhary, Mrs. Manju Pansari and their children is what helped make this journey to the top far less strenuous and more balanced. The collaboration between two friends certainly took the IT distribution sector by storm. The Silver Jubilee celebration definitely calls for a quick look at the company's steady climb up the corporate ladder. It started out as a nondescript company in 1989 with just 2 staff members and 5 customers in a 500 square foot office. This was hard times when IT distribution was completely in the hands of unorganized importers. However, with sincerity, optimism, the ability to take on challenges and banking on every opportunity that came their way helped them to grow year on year. The journey of Rashi Peripherals started from just a single brand but went on to play instrumental roles in launching many international brands in India. In fact, it is said that every second assembled computer in India has at least one component sold and serviced by Rashi Peripherals. The deep insight of Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Pansari has enabled Rashi Peripherals to have a unique structure of its branch operations. There are 21 branch heads in each state. Every team is ready to take on more challenges and is not afraid of owning their responsibilities. Their unity in working towards a common goal has led the company's national growth year after year. With 9,000 partners in almost 750 towns and a team of more than 350 sales and marketing professionals, Rashi Peripherals has seen phenomenal progress and has won many awards, namely #1 Value Added Distributor of the country, Best National Distributor, fastest growing national distributor, etc. It has grown consistently over the years at a compounded annual growth rate of 30%, with revenues of $400 million, that is over 2,200 crore rupees. With 58 branches and 62 service centers spanning across India, Rashi Peripherals has the largest infrastructure in the IT distribution space. Uniqueness is the team of 15 marketing professionals, which is unparalleled in the distribution industry. A recent GfK Nielsen survey has rated Rashi Peripherals as the most friendly distributor. Today, Rashi is among the top 5 IT distribution companies of India. It is also among India's top 50 IT companies and has been a trendsetter in this field. As the list goes on and on, it truly is a testimony to the immense hard work all its team members have put in to create such a glorious passage in 25 years. Known for its philanthropy, Rashi Peripherals has done much to improve the conditions of the less fortunate by imparting free education and taking on many other social responsibilities. As team members, to be associated with this company is by itself a reason to feel good about. Today, as Rashi Peripherals celebrates 25 successful years, we as a part of it might feel it has been a long journey. Rashi Peripherals has come a long way indeed, and it has achieved so much. But we know that it has the power to achieve much more, miles to go even further.
My dear friends in industry, media, my family, my extended family, Rashi family, friends, relatives, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure and it's my privileged honor to see you all in large numbers on this working day at its Silver Jubilee celebration, which was incorporated 25 years back. 25 years of constant growth is certainly a milestone, and therefore it calls for celebration. Rashi's achievement towards itself, it's looking like Swanta Sukhay. When we are internally happy, this is the biggest achievement and the happiness what we can have. It's Swanta Sukhay, then achievements towards society and community, towards exchequer, towards employees, and all other stakeholders. This all calls for a celebration. In 1989, started with a small place in South Mumbai and 2 assistants. Friends, with this, the organization has grown like a mammoth banyan tree. You know the quality of a banyan tree? It grows up with one stem, and over a period, it creates its stems, and those becomes the roots. So Rashi has got 20 such stems converted into roots, taking the load of Rashi. The tree has many branches and leaves and fruits on it. These are our strong and efficient team, which is close to 1,000 numbers, who are delivering their best since years. Some of them are with us over last 10 years, 15 years. With attrition rate it's very low attrition rate. One more thing here, that people who has left Rashi, we are very proud to say that almost everybody is holding a much senior position, and a gigantic number of partners, close to 9,000, who have supported us and always stood by us. We are here because of you partners, we are here. Friends, many partners, all branches are going to celebrate this Silver Jubilee tomorrow at their home place, and most of the branches and partners are going to attend, close to 5,000 at all India level. So they are getting ready and preparing there, and we have only a handful of partners who could be, arranged today. Thank you very much. And our very supportive vendors. I can see a lot of people who have spent time out of their busy schedule, and as I said, on a working day, they are with us to share our joy. Thank you very much for esteemed vendors. We are very lucky to have friends in media who have given us, of course, very sleepless nights sometimes. But this is just to remain in forefront of the industry with their remarkable support. They are very best friends in need and critics too. They mentor us, and they are responsible to monitor that we do all ethical business and follow best practices. Thank you, friends in media, for keeping us in the forefront. Friends, RASI always practice and promote ethics and best practices in all walks of life, not only in business. Whether it relates to business or any commitment or personal life. Media has always been testimonials to our endeavor. You have seen a survey conducted by GfK, Nielsen, which is also testimonials to our claim. And friends, as a ballpark figure, I share with you that today media in a year, they are giving almost 400 reviews in a year. That is 1.1 or 1.2 every day. So I think this is the great job done by media, and thank you again for that. Loads of awards from various media and vendors are also testimonial to our claim. Let me thank and acknowledge partners in our growth. To start with, from our bankers, they are here, and friends, we are here because of you as well. We love to have your support, and in fact, with all our bankers, to name HDFC, Standard Chartered Bank, and IndusInd, their support has been unparalleled. And let me tell you, I am not exaggerating in selling, it's unconditional. We never borrowed, never worried for any financial requirement. It's just a phone call away. Whatever money we need, they never say no. They always say, please go ahead. We are here to support you. That type of support we are getting from our bankers firm. Please continue and enhance your support. Our support team, our auditors, our financial and legal advisors, cleaning house agents, logistic vendors, other service providers, ERP support team, landlords, and many more persons behind the scene who are extending their great support to RASI to reach us to this level. A great thank you to all our support staff. Friends, RASI has a track record of consistent growth over 30% CAGR, barring 2-3 years where overall economy of the country has been negative. RASI has either grown in business or has accumulated experience in those 2-3 years, which is also very important. Friends, from consumables to components, to PCDs, to software, and to communication, RASI has a great journey. RASI do not do any technology business. It also upgrades itself and fall in the line of the day. Our organization has adopted SAP, which is one of the best and robust ERP system, 7 years back. And I am proud to tell you that in IT space, RASI is only the company who has gone for SAP at first instance. And this has really helped us in managing and controlling the financials and business of the company very tightly, and of course, allowing us or enabling us to take a lot of business decisions. TDAI, Technology Distribution Association of India, has played a vital role in the life of Rashi Peripherals, in general and in our professional field and in our ethical life. And we are proud to be associated with such an esteemed organization since its inception as a promoter member. Besides, we are also associated with other trade bodies like MATE and many regional and city-based associations. I think the fraternity is here, IT. They are all together commanding almost 40,000 crores business. So TDAI is the body which is, mentoring all us to do ethical and professional business. So I think you can understand the people who are here we are getting support from them. It's phenomenal. So I tell you, in fact, wish thank to all our co-disties who of course work together for development of the industry. Rashi always believes that it has a corporate social responsibility. It believes in giving back to the society since many years, much before government who has decided to make this as a statutory obligation. It has supported many such projects of public interest directly or through NGOs like Rotary. I cannot forget to mention support our family and friends. They always stood by us in good and bad times. They always supported and encouraged us during bad weathers and shares our joy in good times. They guided us and mentored us as and when we needed, and helped us in taking right decision at right time. They are our critics too when we do anything wrong, which always keep us on the right track. I would like all our families to stand and get recognized, and I would also like our friends to stand and get recognized. Sir, a huge round of applause again for my family and my friends. Naveen, thank you. Once again, on behalf of entire Rashi family and from the bottom of my heart, I say big thank you to all of you who are here to share this joyous moment with us and bless us with your gracious presence. May I request all of you to continue your affection and support to us so we can reach successfully to our golden jubilee. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you all, our esteemed guests, for taking time for Rashi Silver Jubilee celebration today. At this stage, I recall the printer rubber business which we started in the year 1983. And we were the market leader in those years. In just 2 years' time of starting the business, we could control almost 40+% market share in those first 2 years. Apart from this ribbon business, we started monitors, and that also gave almost more than 30% market share in those first round of 5 to 7 years prior to Rashi. I am referring to the business. In the year 1996 and 1998, Rashi was again leader as importer and distributor for motherboard, hard drives and CPU. In fact, in those days, when graphic card was not part of motherboard, we sold huge number of Pine graphic cards in India. However, the turning point to true distribution was 1999, when we started off with Logitech and Asus, which took Rashi into different league. Our belief in we can do, confidence of our vendors, trust of channel partners, strong business ethics, and profitability for all has been the key success for us. I have always believed in promoting value brands to customers, and the belief has made Rashi what we are today. Our strategy of deep penetration, which currently we are covering 750 towns across the country, has enabled a very consistent and sustained growth for Rashi. The pillars of Rashi's success has been our business ethics, entrepreneurs in the form of brand sets, strong marketing team, service networks all over the country, and being the first in several initiatives. We were the first to conduct 40 City Roadshow, the first to take 100 partners on Star Cruise in 2001. I am really proud to say that Rashi was the first distributor to set up an office with service centers in Indore, Kolhapur, Amravati, Jalgaon, Solapur, Aurangabad, Sangli, Mangalore, Indore, Ranchi, Guwahati, Siliguri, Durgapur, Dehradun, Trivandrum, Calicut, Kottayam, Trichy, Tamil Nadu, Navi Mumbai, Pimpri, Rajkot, Gandhidham, a hoping list of 23 first out of 58 towns. Being from a humble background and remote village Ramgarh in Rajasthan, my vision is that Rashi should make IT product available across each of 600 districts of India. This is where the real India resides and where growth is. As we progress, time is running by. I am pleased to introduce my elder son, Kapil, who is now gradually taking over the reins of Rashi Peripherals. This will enable me to scout for newer business opportunities, particularly in the field of lighting, pharmaceuticals, lubricants, agriculture, etc. Lastly, I am spending time for society in the health and education for further improvement. Thank you once again for supporting Rashi Peripherals. Thank you.